Okay, we're down in the store of Australian Pump, and you can see there's a bunch of Aussie GMP pumps have just arrived from the factory in northern Italy. These are beautiful pumps. They're cast iron or bronze or 316 stainless steel. This is Stuart. He's our stores manager, warehouse manager. Stu,
so we've got a 3-inch XRA semi-trash.
Okay, that's cast iron self-priming pump, right?
Yes.
What are these big fellas in these boxes?
Well, they're a 3-inch pump, cast iron.
Wow.
11 kilowatt electric motor.
Okay, now that G3 TMKA is the high pressure version. Yeah, so that pump with an 11 kilowatt motor is the sort of thing you put into a batch plant for the batching process, where you want to pump water up a fair way into the
Shift
tank.
a lot of water quickly.
Yep. And of course you need pressure. So this pump will do about 1,200 litres a minute. Yep. I got that right. Let's just double check. What's it say?
1,300 litres a minute.
1,300. Whoops, I made a mistake there. And maximum head is 47 metres. Well, I'm underselling the products, Stu. And these ones here are little. These
are still a 3-inch pump.
Yeah.
They're a medium pressure semi-trash with a 5.5 kilowatt electric motor.
Okay, now this is a lower head pump, B3
Yes.
XRA series. These are extremely popular with piggeries. They're going into meat processing plants. I understand they're used in a huge variety of applications. They use them for all sorts of contaminated water, and I believe they're also
1,350 litres.
Wastewater. So let's have a look at that. 1,350. Yep, and the head is
24
metres. Well, that's quite respectable.
5.5 kilowatt.
Okay, they're IP55 motors. They're made just for Australian pump industries, and that's the way we want it. Now, these are built to our engineers' requirements and to our ISO standards, of course. Up there on the shelf, I can see one with a B number on it. What's that mean?
Well, that'll be a bronze pump.
Okay, now I understand they're used by the Navy and by shipbuilders around Australia.
Shipbuilders, fisheries,
trawlers, etc.
trawlers.
Now that bronze isn't just gunmetal; it's actually nickel, aluminium, bronze. Okay, Stu, look, I'll get out of your way. You've got a whole lot of this stuff to ship out today. These are going straight out, aren't they?
Yes.
They're going to West Australia.
Yes.
Right? What about these ones here? Where are they off to?
They're off to Queensland.
Okay, well, it's great to see a product that we designed being made to our standards in Europe, and the market liking it as much as they do, because it seems to me that this is the beginning of what we call the self-priming revolution.
Yeah.
What do you think of that?
No, it's a...
I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, get the hell out of my store so I can ship this stuff. Okay, have a good day, buddy.
All right.